Welcome back, foodies! Today, we're serving up some astonishing facts about food that you probably had no idea about. First up, did you know that chocolate was once used as currency by the Aztecs? They valued cocoa beans highly, using them to trade for goods. Second, here's a unique tidbit. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible after thousands of years. And it gets even juicier. Tomatoes are technically fruits, but we've been eating them as vegetables for centuries. Confusing, right? Next, pineapples take about 2 years to grow. Patience is definitely a virtue when it comes to enjoying this sweet fruit. Lastly, did you know that ketchup was once sold as medicine in the 1830s? Who knew such a common condiment had such a wild past? Food is full of surprises, and these facts show us that there's always something new to learn about what we eat.